Hello everyone, my name is Dijan and for today's video, I'm going to share how to download YouTube videos and convert it into music or MP3. What you need is YouTube and also the website that you are going to use to convert YouTube videos into MP3. So for the link of this website, you just check in my description box. So the first thing you have to do is to search the music that you are going to download. For example, this music with all I am, which is worship song. This is lyric video in YouTube, so we're going to convert this video into MP3. What we need to do is to copy the link above and paste the link into the MP3 converter and then click convert. So there's another window that will open. You just have to close the window and then go back to your MP3 converter. And then after a few seconds, the title of the video that you're going to convert will appear here. Then you're going to click download. And then again, another window will be open. You just have to close it once again and go back to the MP3 converter. Now let's check if the video is already downloaded. Let's go to download and see with all that I am lyrics is already here, and this time this is not a video anymore but it's already a music or MP3. At this moment we can copy the music into our flash drives. So for me, this is the fastest way to download videos from YouTube and convert to music at the same time for free and for as many as you can or as many as you want. And also, this is the easiest way to download music. So I hope this video tutorial helps you, and if so, then please leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.